Hello, welcome to DenaliDownSouth again, and today me and her, are going to be trying hot stuff again. The jalapeno Cheetos
and the flaming hot
Cheetos. So let's crack them open and see how hot they are. Okay, which one are we going to start with?
Which one do you want to do first?
I think we'll do the jalapenos first.
Oh no.
Okay, try the jalapenos.
Okay, we try it at the same time.
Oh, same time? Okay, we'll do same time. I want to take one.
1, 2.
Yeah. It's so weird doing videos where like people watch each other eat. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Little spice.
I
Pretty
like
good
it.
flavor.
Good.
I like them too. I mean, another one. Good? Okay. Nope, stop it. You have to try the other ones. Now, the Flamin' Hot Cheetos.
Oh, no.
Go ahead. It's a good size one. Ready?
Okay.
A little heat too. Not burning me up there. I feel a little, now in the back of the throat, a little tingle.
Yeah, same.
But it's not killing me. But you had to. Yeah,
It's good.
they're good. Now, I do have to be honest, I've had both of these before. I like the flavor on the jalapeno ones better.
I've actually tried this once.
And I think they have, better flavor and actually maybe, well, a little different heat, or heat type, I guess you could say. It's not, they're both not gonna be too hot, at least to me. Which one do you think's the hotter one?
The flaming hot.
The Flamin' Hot?
Yeah, but I've tried this before actually at the park. Like me and my friend shared.
Oh, now which one do you think has better flavor?
The jalapeno.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Now, also, though, the Flamin' Hot Cheeto, if you remember, we did the Flamin' Hot Cheeto sushi. And then also, we did the, at a fair one time. Remember fairs? The Flaming Hot Cheeto corn dog, which wasn't hot at all. It was actually pretty tasty. You liked it.
Yeah, I like it.
So, yeah, not terribly hot, both of them. Better flavor on the jalapeno. I can see how some people might think this is a little hot, but, excuse me, that little tickle in the back of my throat. It's not gonna, kick your butt like some people it does for them. So, yeah, pretty good, and guess we'll just snack on these for a little while.
That was really good.
But the worst thing I think about Cheetos is just the dust. I don't like getting the Cheeto dust all over the place. So, yeah, short video, short little taste test. Nothing's kicking our butts. It's good. Any parting words?
No.
No? Okay, so then thanks for watching, everyone.
Yeah, thanks for watching, everyone, and bye.
Check out all these videos floating around here for other great content. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment, check out the links below. It all helps the channel and the family. Every little bit.